everyone, Sean Williams here with Bungalou, back on Bardstown Road at our building in the Highlands here in Louisville, Kentucky. Now it's been a while since I last gave you an update, but a lot has been going on. Specifically, we're doing rough-ins for plumbing and electrical along with HVAC, and we're actually tearing down a 25-foot wall, which is crazy. All right, so we're here on the first floor of one of our 2-bedroom apartments. I'm gonna show you some of the rough-ins that we have going on. So you can see that we've got all the plumbing in place here for the bathroom. Right behind that, as you can see that we've got the electrical panels in, so electric's going on, and then they actually already started on our HVAC. The noise right now, they're putting in windows, so there's a lot going on with this property. It's starting to come to life, which is super exciting, but we still have a lot more to do. So now I want to show you one of the walls that we have going down outside. All right, so this is probably the biggest undertaking on this project thus far. As you can see, I got this 25-foot wall behind me. When it was originally constructed, it was this old hollow terracotta block, and our structural engineer said that is an absolute no-go. So we're actually tearing down this entire wall. It goes about 30-40 feet that way into the building, and then I'll show you here in a second, we had to dig out the dirt, pour new footers, and then we're gonna go back and build a brand new wall. It is one of those surprises you don't want, but you know, we're here to make things right, and it'll definitely be a whole lot nicer once it's done. So let's see if we can get a little bit of a shot of what we had to do with this foundation real quick, just so you kind of get an idea. All right, so now we're on the inside of this wall. We actually had to dig out the entire dirt, about 4, 5, 6 feet below the inside of this existing foundation. We had to pour a whole new footer for the new wall that's going to go up once this one is all gone. So complete headache and surprise. That's just kind of part of it, but you know, we want to make things right, so that's what we're trying to do. So next time we'll show you, once this bad boy's all done, what it looks like, and hopefully we'll be all good to go.